Spring is a wonderful season that comes after winter. It's a time when everything starts to wake up and become colorful again. In spring, the weather becomes warmer and we see more sunshine. One of the best things about spring is the flowers. Flowers like tulips, daisies, and daffodils start to bloom, and the gardens look so pretty with all the colors. Bees and butterflies also come out in spring to enjoy the flowers. Another fun part of spring is that trees start to grow new leaves. They look fresh and green, making the whole world look lively and bright. Birds come back from their winter homes, and you can hear them singing happily in the trees. Spring is also a great time for outdoor activities. People like to have picnics in the park, go for walks or bike rides, and play games outside. It's a nice change from being inside during the cold winter months. Many animals have babies in spring too. You might see baby birds learning to fly, or baby rabbits hopping around. It's a time of new beginnings and growth in nature. In spring, we celebrate Easter and other holidays. People often decorate eggs and have Easter egg hunts, which is a lot of fun for kids. Overall, spring is a beautiful season full of life and happiness. It's a time when we can enjoy being outside and surrounded by flowers, birdsong, and the warmth of the sun.